Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw something super special, a heart-shaped flower in a vase. Yes, flower that is literally full of love and probably more romantic than some people. And today's drawing also has a short, heart-touching and a little funny story while we draw. One day, a small flower was sad because nobody noticed it in the garden. It wanted to show love to everyone but did not know how. So it practiced and slowly shapes its petals into a heart. A little boy saw the heart shaped flower, smiled, and placed it carefully in a beautiful vase to decorate his home. The flower finally felt special and happy, spreading love to everyone who saw it. So today, as we draw this flower, heart flower, remember, even small effort filled with love can make someone's day brighter. Okay, guys? And wow, look at your beautiful heart-shaped flower in a vase, full of love, beauty, and positive vibes. Just like our little flower, always share love and keep improving your creativity every day. Who knows, your drawings might also make someone smile. If your flavor if your heart flower looks extra big, super funny, or even like a dancing balloon, that's perfect because art is all about fun and expression. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy and magical drawings. Keep drawing, keep smiling, and keep spreading love through your art. Okay, see you in the next happy drawing adventure. Till then, bye bye. Bye bye. Love you.